Hey Blitzers, in this short tutorial I'll show you how to set up your account in the Blitzit mobile app on iOS and how to upgrade your plan. First, download the app from the App Store and open it. Right away, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type it in, and Blitzit will send you a confirmation code. Once the email arrives, enter the code here to continue. Next, you'll see the terms of use and information about privacy and data collection. Feel free to read it through it if you'd like to know the details, or simply take our word for it and press agree. After that, enter the first and last name you'd like to appear in the app, then press continue. And that's it, your account is ready. From here you can start using the app and create your first task list. Blitzit includes a 7-day free trial, so you can explore the features and see how it fits into your workflow before committing to a plan. If you decide to continue using Blitzit after the trial, upgrading your plan takes just a couple of minutes. Press the avatar icon in the top right corner, then go to the billing section and tap Update Plan. Here you'll see two options: a monthly plan for $6.99 or an annual plan for $59, which is a better value if you plan to use Blitzit regularly. Blitzit also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee in the annual plan, so if you change your mind, you can request a refund, no questions asked. To proceed, select the plan you want, press Go Unlimited, and follow the payment steps. Payments are processed securely through Stripe, which is one of the most widely used payment processors worldwide. Once the payment is complete, your account will be upgraded and you'll have access to all Blitzit features and future updates. If you'd like a walkthrough of how to actually use the app for planning and focus sessions, check out our mobile tutorial video. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and happy blitzing!